Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Crunchyroll UI good settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Crunchyroll and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about Crunchyroll. If you find updates, then you will update your app here as you see. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.